help me to understand it deeper? Well, it basically means knowing how to use technology in a smart and safe way.
Yeah, it's not just being able to use a phone or laptop. It's about understanding on how to use them properly, like searching for reliable information, using apps, managing privacy settings, stuff like that.
And also knowing how to stay safe online, like spotting scams, using strong passwords, and not clicking on sensitive links.
So it's more than just being good with technology.
Exactly. It's all about being responsible, like knowing what to pay, to share, how to behave group chats, and how to avoid cyberbullying.
Plus, it helps in school too, like using Google Documents, submitting online assignment, or checking sources when you do research. In addition, we have digital native people, means born in the digital world, technology comes naturally. And digital immigrants people, means learn technology later in life.
So it's like being smart, self, and respectful when using anything in digital.
Yeah, that's a digital literacy in a nutshell.
Okay, so finally figure out what digital literacy is, but now there is other one. Artistic literacy, do you have any idea what that means?
Oh yeah, we talk about that in art class. Artistic literacy is being able to understand and express yourself through art, like drawing, music, drama, or dance.
And not just like making art, but also knowing how to interpret it. Like when you look at the painting and understand the emotion and message behind it. It kind of like reading a book or watching a play, getting a deeper meaning.
Exactly, it's like reading and writing but through creative expression.
That's actually cool. It's not just about talent.
No, it's about being creative, understanding different art forms, and knowing how they connect to culture and emotion.
It helps you think differently, like being more open-minded or seeing things from another point of view.
So, being artistically literate means I don't have to be like a Picasso. I just have to understand and use art to express ideas.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Alright, finally, I get the two types of literacy. You guys should teach the class.